Good morning to everyone. We are team number 09 IT2. We are from Sri Ram Engineering College, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. We are here to explain the project called Secure Eraser Code-Based Cloud Storage System. The main goal of this project is to design a cloud storage system for robustness, confidentiality, and functionality. In this project, we are using proxy re-encryption schema. It supports encoding operations over encrypted messages as well as forwarding operations over encoded and encrypted messages. And my colleague will explain the remaining project.
Hi, I am Bhaskar and I am from 0992. The main reason of this project is to secure the third party cloud storage system. As we are using storing a large amount of data into the third party cloud storage system, which consists of a serious concern or data confidentiality. To remove all the hacking stuff on the cloud, we are using this project mainly. And even to decrease the communication traffic, when many users starts accessing their data from the same server, it gets to communication traffic. And to decrease this kind of things, we use our project. Next thing in our project is we'll explain you how our project works. Okay, in this we are going to explain you how basically our project works. Here you can see a user A and user B and again a user A, where she is storing her data in the cloud. When she stores her data in the cloud, it converts it into two types: encryption file and a key file. You can see the two files which are present in the cloud, and even the cloud is giving her a 32 to 62-bit encrypted keys to her mail, and she can send the keys to another friend, where the key and his friend can even access the data. Where you can see a user A is sending the keys to user B, and user B can, by using these keys, he can access the encryption file and key file, and by using our cloud thing, he can encrypt and decrypt the file. The main thing in our whole project is, we are not storing the original file in our cloud. We are just making the original file into two types: encryption file and key file, and then storing into the cloud. This is the main step where you can avoiding hacking, and also if any third party cloud storage system which gets your data it never can any other cloud storage system can get it data. Okay, the next project will show you the how the whole the stuff works.